using to. To, when used before an adjective, commonly expresses excess beyond a certain supposed standard or limit of fitness. It is also used as equivalent to very. As he is too proud to beg. The news is too good to be true. It is never too late to mend. He knows too well how many of his own careful plans have failed to be hard on others who have not succeeded. This book is too interesting to be treated with indifference, too good to be set down as bad, but also too bad for unqualified praise. The common phrase "is too bad" is colloquial and expresses disapproval or indignation.